teeth can last a lifetime with proper home care and regular dental checkup. Hi, this is Dr. Neda Mehta. Today I am going to tell you about oral health care for senior citizens. There are various dental problems faced by our senior citizens, which are cavities and decay on the root surface of the tooth. This can be prevented by using fluoride-based toothpaste, flossing daily, and regular dental checkups. Sensitivity is a common issue seen in older patients. This can be due to receded gum line, which exposes the area which is not protected by enamel. These areas are prone to pain due to cold and hot beverages. Dry mouth. Dry mouth is associated with various medication and medical disorder. Your dentist can recommend you how to restore moisture and can give you a proper treatment and medication. Atresia, otherwise known as simple wear and tear. Many years of grinding and chewing can take their toll to aging set of teeth. As enamel wears down, it increases the risk of cavities. Dentures can make life easier for older patients. It requires annual checkup. Gum disease. This can occur in any age group, but especially after the age of 40, when your gums start receding. So this can occur because of bad diet, poor oral hygiene, compromised medical condition like diabetes, heart disease, cancer. Tips for seniors: brush and floss daily, make regular dental visits, use antibacterial mouthwash, increase fluoridation, take care of your dentures, take recommended calcium, and avoid tobacco. Thank you and have a nice day.